Hey, welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing the June monthly box makeup tutorials. I decided that I'm going to kind of combine the two that I got since the June Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box had that serum and the face masks in it, neither one of which I'm going to be able to use, and in a video. and the regular Glam Bag had I'm drawing a blank. Oh, it had the peel off mask, and it also had something else. Hold on. Oh, the fingernail polish. It had the fingernail polish, which is also something I could be able to use. And had I done the regular bag, all I would have is eyeliner and lipstick, so I can't really do anything with that by itself. The Glam Bag Plus has stuff that I could do by itself, but I just decided I'm just going to combine both of them and we can kind of see how they both work together. So we're going to use this blending brush for part of it that they gave us. I don't know if you remember or not. The only problem is it's not a problem. It's a little bit fluffier and slightly damaged because my two-year-old got a hold of it and was playing with it in the bathtub because she hid it in the bathroom and then grabbed it before bath time, and then she just kind of pulled it out of nowhere and I was like, where did you get that? Why do you have it in here? I'm gonna probably have to grab a couple extra brushes as well because I can't really apply all of this with just a blending brush. I am not sure which one of these I'm going to use. This is the Rose Pink actual lipstick that came from the regular Glam Bag. So that's like the color. And then I have this color like lipstick with the lip balm in it that came in the Glam Bag Plus, which is more of like a plum color. And I think I'm going to go with the plum. I tried to do something, like wear something a little bit more summery because I knew it was a summery theme. And then I remembered that I don't really like summer, so I don't have a ton of summer stuff. This is pretty much the only thing that I have, and it's kind of a pink and purple, and it just so happens that our block party eyeshadow kit has both a pink and a purple that I did, and I didn't even do that on purpose because I never plan these things and I never looked at this before I sat down. So we're just gonna, I think we're gonna do the purple because I think I'm gonna do like a purple under and like a pink over on the eye and then the eyeliner. We're gonna wing it like I always do, so we'll see how it goes. Okay. I'm trying to think of how I usually do these whenever I do them in front of a mirror. So I think usually I would just do the eyeliner. So we had this Professional Art Makeup liquid eyeliner, and it's 24-hour wear. Okay, so we're gonna hope that it, you know, lives up to its expectations, and I don't know why it's not coming up. Oh, Jesus. Anyway, so usually I would put, myself, and I would put eyeliner on first. I legitimately cannot get this off, and I don't know why. It doesn't have any plastic or anything on it. And I'm pretty sure I opened it up the last time. Well, maybe I won't be using any eyeliner. Okay, well anyway, so usually I would put the eyeliner on first, which would take me about 8 billion tries, but we got one this time because I didn't think to bring anything in here to wipe my face off if I messed up. Because I don't think I had. And, well, I can't pull it off with my teeth either, and it's not really twisting, so we're not using this. But anyway, I would usually put eyeliner on first, try to get the nice wing, and then I would put the eyeshadow over top of it, and then I would just, you know, if I went over where my eyeliner was, I would just go over it again with the eyeliner. But it was nice to have like the base covered. I don't know if maybe she got into this too and then spilled something on it. That's why it's not opening. I don't know. I really can't get it off. Like, it twists, but it won't like twist off either, so I'm not entirely sure what's up with that. And I am like denting the top holding it with my teeth. Anyway. So I guess we'll just do guess we'll just start here. So I'm going to put this back to back nude color just kind of as the base here on my eyes, just to, you know, have something to go off of. So just really dabs. Don't poke yourself in the eye like I just did. Whew. Alright. So then I'm going to take this Line Clear pink color, and we're going to basically just apply it to most of my eye. It's very glittery. My blending brush doesn't want to pick it up. There we go. Alright. So I'm going to make it a little bit darker on the outer lid than I am on the inside. Because, you know, why not? I say that, and then I did this side, and I did what you're not supposed to do, and then just kind of dabbed it in the middle here. So I'm going to take some of that off with my finger, because I need to pay more attention. Same problem I always have. It doesn't want to go on my like lower lash line. Also, again, I'm using the wrong kind of brush for this, so didn't expect it to go over super smooth. Okay, not too bad. A little bright, like really bright, but it makes my eyes look poppin'. Okay, then I have this High Score purple color here, and I'm just gonna apply to the bottom line and hope that it looks okay. So I'm actually, because I'm only using this one and I'm being lazy, I feel like getting up, I'm actually just gonna squeeze it like that so I can get just a small amount of the purple on the tips, so I can keep it kind of controlled where I want it to be. Okay, so I'm just literally gonna put that right up there on the lash line, and then I'm only gonna bring it about halfway down to the eye, mostly because, you know, I don't want to cover the whole thing. Oh, this is a lot more awkward to do, so you can still see. I don't need to see right. Okay, kind of just look like I haven't slept in a few days. Probably should have done that opposite. Had the darker color on the actual lash and then done the lighter color on the bottom, but it is what it is. Okay, so I put a little bit of pink on here and I was touching some stuff up, but I'm kind of just gonna blend that in right there too. This would look a lot nicer with that eyeliner I can't get off. Alright, now we're gonna add some of this mascara. And this is the one that had the bottom lash one that I don't usually ever use, but we might use it this time since I put all that purple down there and see how well it goes. Alrighty. Not too shabby. The top ones, I don't need trouble. Let's see if we can do the bottom ones the same way. Mascara doesn't usually give me much trouble unless I poke myself in the eye with it, which I've definitely done once or twice or 8,000 times. Alright, let's see. Actually put that on the lower eye more than I meant to. I still more look like I just haven't slept in ages. But, I mean, it's not too bad of a look if you're going to a concert in the dark and no one can see what you look like. Alright, let's see. I'm going to try to use this lip crayon. So I'm going to put this lip balm on first. Now kind of get my lips nice and moist. Okay. I feel like since crayons are kind of the combo of lip pencils and actual lipstick, I kind of end up outlining it and then filling it in, which is what I end up doing with lip liners. I actually really like this color. I think it looks really good on me too. Might just because of I actually have some color now. I spent a bit of time in the sun. God, I would really, really, really like to get this eyeliner off. Like, how did it get so stuck? Okay, I'm gonna grab a different eyeliner just because I really think that this look would just look just 1,000 times better with liner. So give me 1 second. I can find the one I usually use. Even better. We had this Eyeko Skinny Liquid Liner in a different one, so I'm just going to use that again. Let's see how it goes. So I usually do the under highlight, but you don't have to do that. Okay, I have to have the mirror for this one. I can't do it off the camera. Hold on. Technical difficulties. this already feels like it dried out. Which might just be because I've already got stuff down. But I don't know, so I'm going to use mine, which you can't actually tell what it is anymore, and I honestly can't remember. This is the one that I use most often. Okay, they're not super even, but I don't think it looks too bad. I do still think that this isn't as much of a summery look as I would like. I think it's more concert in the park, or something in the dark. Like I said earlier, just because it's so bright. But that could also just be the way that my skin is looking right now as well. It doesn't look too bad for what we have, especially since I really only just used this blending brush that kind of isn't as much of a blending brush as it should be either. So, and I used not the right kind of eyeliner. I still don't know why it's doing that. I guess I'll have to play with it and see if I can get the lid off. Hopefully it's not a lost cause, because I really wanted to try it out and see if it would last an actual 24 hours, especially for someone who touches their face a lot. But this isn't that bad. So I guess I'm just gonna stick with it and probably not leave my house today. Alright, well, thanks for joining me, and I don't recommend this look at all, but I'm sure you can find something better to do with this. The colors are just really bright too, and it's like that gray color that I really like. So for me, who has a little bit more of an awkward skin color, it's not really great. Now if you had nice tan skin, this would probably look really good on you, because bright colors pop really well with the tan skin, or, you know, if you're naturally more tan or more black, then that would also, you know, work really well for you. I think with how pale I am, the bright colors just don't really work for me. Dark colors don't really work for me. There's only like a very small amount of colors that work super great, which is probably why I wear nudes more often than anything else, and like the gray colors, because the silvery grays kind of really make it worth it. Anyway, I'm gonna put all this stuff away, and I hope you enjoyed my video, and I hope you come back next week. Well, not next week. Next month we'll have another Ipsy boxes to open, and got another My Geek box coming as well. I'm out of loot crates, thank goodness. And we'll see what else I can cook up in the kitchen. So I hope you guys are having a fantastic summer, and thanks for coming. See you next time. Bye!